What? Hey guys, welcome back to pocket.watch Studios. My name is Jenna. Gosh darn it! And today we're playing Trivia Wrecking Ball. I'm gonna ask the group trivia questions all at the same time, being allowed to throw the wrecking ball at each other, and the loser will have a punishment, but we'll get to that later. For now, let's start this bad boy! Go! What was the first planet to be discovered?
Earth. Moon. Mars. Jupiter. Uranus.
Uranus!
Yeah!
Oh! What is the most popular YouTube video of all time? Gangnam Style!
Despacito.
Yes, Despacito, 1 point for Dalton. What is the most eaten food in the world?
Pizza.
Sushi.
Nope.
Hot hamburgers.
Bread.
No, keep throwing.
Pizza.
Chicken.
No.
McDonald's.
No.
Other options.
Chicken nuggets.
No.
Fried chicken. Fried chicken.
What's more basic in Asian
Rice.
food? Rice. Point for Dalton. Which solar system planet has the most moons?
Neptune.
No. No.
Uranus.
No.
Jupiter.
Yes, Jupiter. Point for Dalton. Okay, point for Brandy. The winner of round 1 was Dalton. Now we're on to round 2, which means everyone has to go back to their place and balance on one leg. On your mark, get set, go! How many eyes does an earthworm have? None! Yes. 1 point for Liz. In which Star Wars film do the Ewoks appear? Oh my God, guys.
Return of the Jedi!
Yes, a point for Liz! Oh, girl, I love you so much. What sport was only an Olympic event from 1900 to 1920?
Skeet shooting. No, that's still a suit.
Snake hunting.
Golfing. Chariot racing.
Golfing! Oh! Keep going, keep going.
Keep going, keep going.
Only an Olympic event till 1920.
Javelin? No, that's still a thing.
Simple.
Jumping.
Billiards.
All right, it was tug of war. Point for nobody. How many rings make up the symbol of the Olympic Games? 5. 5, a point for Liz.
Oh, I'm killing it!
In what country were Legos invented?
Sweden.
Japan.
Sweden. Germany. Norway.
U.S.
Norway.
Scotland.
Denmark.
Denmark, a point for...
Brandy said it.
Brandy said a point for Brandy. Who are the 5 original members of One Direction?
Harry Styles. Harry. Zayn. Liam. Louis.
A point for Brandy.
Here's the dick.
Yeah, get in on it.
411 on the 7-Eleven.
I won this round with 3 answers correct. Brandy got 2, right?
And Dalton brought in 1.
I had 1 point this round. 1 and 1.
I my 3 to finish.
Don't eat it.
Eat it.
I'll eat it for you. I love you.
No.
This is the 3rd and final round. We're playing for keeps, y'all. On your mark. Get set. Go. What is the meaning of the French phrase au revoir? Bye.
Bye.
Point for Liz. Who was known as the king of comedy?
Jerry Seinfeld.
No.
Will Ferrell.
Chris Rock. No. Comedy classic, y'all.
Don Rickles. Eddie Murphy.
Charlie Chaplin. Point for Brandy. What is the largest? What is the largest type of bird? The what?
Bald eagle.
An ostrich. Point to Liz. Point to Liz.
Jenna, read it louder.
I'm literally screaming. What is the spell in Harry Potter used to unlock doors?
Alohomora.
Yes, a point to Liz. What was the first video game?
Pong.
Pong. Pong. Point for Dalton.
Yes.
All right, round over. The winner of that round and our overall winner is Liz. Woo! You did it. Pick a candy.
Ooh, I won.
Oh, wait, not that one. That's the one I want.
Okay.
All right, so that means, unfortunately, our loser is Eddie. Eddie, pick a loser candy, like Mr. Goodbar. All right, as Eddie's punishment, he gets to be hit with the wrecking ball while blindfolded. Here we go.
We're all just gonna hug him instead.
Aww.
Ready?
Aww. watching. We're here at Pocket Watch Studios. We had so much fun. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments down below which trivia question was the easiest one. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.